On the printer, press the Network button. Press the wireless settings. Turn on wireless. Choose Setup Wizard and press OK. The printer will search for available networks. Select your desired network, SSID, and press OK. Enter your network password using the alphanumeric buttons and press OK. Confirm the password and press OK. The printer will attempt to connect to the network. If successful, a confirmation message will appear. On computer, open Google Chrome and in the search bar, type HP LaserJet M255 Printer.Driver download, enter your printer model to search, and hit enter. From the list of search results, go to the HP official website. On the product page, click on the Drivers tab. Scroll down and find the Driver section. Click on the Select button next to the driver you want to download. Click on the Download button. The driver will start downloading. Once the download is complete, click on it to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and prompts to complete the installation process. Ensure that your computer connected the same wireless network. During installation, you may be prompted to choose a connection type. Select Wireless or Network as your connection type. The installer will search for available printers on your network. When it detects your HP Color LaserJet Pro M255 printer, select it from the list and continue with the installation process. Your HP Color LaserJet Pro M255 printer should be successfully connected to your Windows computer via Wi-Fi network. The driver installation should automatically recognize the connected printer and complete the setup.